mother of Iaisanhame Rapsang, a 4-year-old child. I came from Shillong, Meghalaya. While Iaisan was 26 years old, I came to know that he is diagnosed of BSD and ASD. So later with the treatment and checkups from Shillong, doctors, they said that I have to go for further treatment. So ASD was closed in 2022, but VSD left, that is a large VSD. So I had financial problem to go for surgery in my state itself. So I came here to your state, Kerala, with the help of through some NGOs. But then I came to know that again from here we consider the scheme. Thank you so much for the scheme. It has been been a great help to my son's treatment. Now he's okay. So thank you so much. Thank you so much.